In today's digital era, where data is the lifeblood of organizations, understanding databases is crucial for effective data management. This comprehensive guide will take you on a journey through the world of databases, covering their types, key components, and their significance in various industries. Databases come in diverse types, each tailored to specific data management requirements. Relational databases, the most commonly used type, organize data into tables with rows and columns, establishing relationships through keys. On the other hand, NoSQL databases are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data, making them ideal for modern web applications and big data analytics. Object-oriented databases excel at storing complex data types, such as objects and inheritance hierarchies, while hierarchical and network databases focus on managing data relationships. Graph databases are designed to handle highly interconnected data, enabling efficient analysis of relationships. To grasp the inner workings of a database, it is essential to familiarize ourselves with its key components. The data model defines the logical structure of the data, determining how it is stored and accessed. The Database Management System, or DBMS, acts as the software that facilitates database creation, maintenance, and manipulation. The schema provides a blueprint for organizing the data and specifying tables, columns, and relationships. Tables or collections hold the actual data, structured in rows and columns. Queries enable users to retrieve, update, and manipulate data, while indexes optimize data retrieval performance. Transactions ensure the consistency and integrity of database operations, and data security mechanisms protect sensitive information. Data backup and recovery mechanisms safeguard against data loss. Relational databases, built on the relational model, are widely used in various industries. They offer a structured approach to organizing data, ensuring data integrity through predefined relationships between tables. Relational databases use structured query language, SQL, to query and manage data, providing powerful tools for data manipulation and retrieval. NoSQL databases have gained popularity due to their ability to handle large-scale, unstructured, and rapidly changing data. They offer flexibility, scalability, and high performance, making them suitable for modern applications, big data, and real-time data processing. NoSQL databases use different data models, such as key-value, document, columnar, and graph, allowing for efficient data storage and retrieval. Object-oriented databases are designed to store complex data types, including objects, classes, and inheritance hierarchies. They provide a seamless integration between the application code and the database, reducing the impedance mismatch often encountered in traditional databases. Object-oriented databases are well suited for applications developed using object-oriented programming languages. Hierarchical databases organize data in a tree-like structure, where each record contains fields and subfields, forming parent-child relationships. Network databases, a more flexible variant of hierarchical databases, allow records to have multiple parent and child records, creating complex interconnected relationships. Graph databases are designed to store and manage highly connected data, making them ideal for social networks, recommendation systems, and knowledge graphs. In conclusion, databases are the foundation of efficient data management and play a vital role in modern organizations. Understanding the different types of databases, their key components, and their applications empowers businesses to make informed decisions and harness the full potential of their data. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the world of databases. We hope this guide has provided you with a solid understanding of what databases are, their types, and their key components. By leveraging the power of databases, businesses can effectively manage and harness the vast amounts of data available to them. If you found this video informative and insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on technology, data management, and beyond. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and appreciate your feedback.